poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? What's poppin'? Poppin'. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some liquid lipsticks that are shaped like wine bottles. And I done dropped one. Hold on. It's something really cute to review. They come in 6 different colors. Although I'm missing one, I didn't get it because I didn't want it. So I will be reviewing 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5 different colors. I had to count to make sure. 5 different colors. Now this is from a company called, I think it was Magic Trend on Facebook. And yeah, but you can get them on Amazon because you know your girl found them for cheaper on Amazon. Everybody on Facebook's trying to swindle and bamboozle you. I'm just saying. So, let's go ahead and get into these swatches. Oh, and before we do, it's best to make sure that your lips are already primed. And by prime, I mean like some type of lip gloss or lip primer that you want to put on your lips. So therefore that they better adhere. So, let's get started. Okay, so those were my swatches for you guys. My lips now hurt. I had to grab some almond oil to get it off because it doesn't budge once it dries. So I had to reapply around the mouth and go in with like the last 2 swatches. So this is $6 for all 6. I only showed you guys 5 of them because I actually got them from a Magical Trend where they was trying to bamboozle you out of like 20-something bucks when they're on Amazon for like $9. Yeah, so these were my swatches. Now they do not have a funky smell to them. Actually, they kind of smell like cross between cotton candy and bubble gum. So that's not a bad smell at all unless you just hate bubblegum. But I don't know nobody who hates bubblegum. So yeah. And they do not come off with water. They do not transfer. See? So they do not transfer to your cup. Now if you're gonna be inner fat girl like myself and go out to eat, that some of it may come off because the oils are from the food. Just like I said, I had to use oil to take it off of my lips, so expect that. But if you're drinking wine or pop, whatever it be, it is not going nowhere. I've also swatched these on my hands and let them dry completely, and I ran them under water and it did not come off. Trying to think about what did I use. I had to use soap and water to get it off, and that barely even did it. I had to go in with some oil to get the rest of it off. So all in all, not a bad investment. They're very affordable. They don't have a funky stench to them. So I would most definitely invest in some. The link is down below. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave that down below. Make sure you rate, comment, subscribe, and share, 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 and share. Okay? Okay. Now that we got that out the way, I will see you guys in the next video.